What's up, guys? So today we're back at the OG house for a little bit, and I got a pretty vintage surfboard that was passed down to me from some family friends, and I'm trying to fix it up to make it look really cute and just kind of restore this surfboard, which this is something that I've never done. I also don't know what the hell this outfit is, but we're rolling with it today. So here goes kind of nothing, but kind of also everything. So this is what I need to like uncover and declutter. So let's do that.
Stay high for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your climb. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know you. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
Also, we're moving, so that's why the garage looks like it is, because I don't really live here anymore, but we're selling this house, so love that. Also, this frame's tilted. Sorry fam, sorry to disappoint, but oh no, it's got a ding in the back. Oh, I'm excited. This is gonna be quite the project. So I'll bring it over here. That sounds, you can't even see, but this is a vintage surfboard and I really want to ride it. So we've got, the front part looks good, but the back is really dirty. And fun fact, I actually work at this surf shop and I'm pretty sure my boss glassed this back in whatever time period. Yeah, we've got to fix this on the bottom. It's really heavy. And then when I was younger, I learned how to surf on it, but we kind of ghetto rigged it and put some foam in it. So I've got to find a fin that's gonna lock in there, or maybe I could just two fin it. We'll try. But we've got a lot of ding repair to do on the bottom. I'm gonna give you guys like a close-up of what the board looks like. Okay, so as you guys can see, it has been neglected for a few years now, and this is a really bad ding I'm talking about. I might need to go seek out a professional. I know that the foam is probably a little bit rotted on the inside. Ugh. But otherwise, this is like the bad part. It's in really good condition. I can fix that, no problem. And yeah, I'm really excited to get this bad boy surfable and enjoy a few more surfs on it before I have to, you know, make it a hang-up board that just stays in the family. Yeah, so that is the life update. Well, so I've got the board on this table and I'm going to be using the pickle, which is, where is that thing? It's right here. So it's in this little bag and it's this guy, and we're going to be using that to just kind of finish taking off all the wax on the board and give it a nice finish. it's starting to come along. I've got all of this done, and you can kind of see that it's a little bit shinier, and it just honestly looks way better than this part of the surfboard. So I'm still scrubbing my life away, and we have to do the bottom. But Nick and I decided that it would be better if we had a professional glass the bottom bits of it, and then the fin boxes are messed up. So I think I'm gonna hire a professional to do that. So I'm basically just cleaning it, and then I'm gonna drop it off tomorrow at the surf shop, and yeah, that's my plan. Whew, after